How to get thicker eyelashes naturally? Do you wish you had thicker eyelashes? You're in good company. Numerous individuals wish they had thicker eyelashes, to make their eyes more delightful. There are numerous purposes behind slight eyelashes, similar to age, certain clinical issues, missing supplements, an eye disease, or hormonal changes in the body. Different reasons are scouring your eyes generally and not taking your eye cosmetics off by the day's end, which can prompt the fragile hairs of your lashes dropping out. The primary thing to do when you're attempting to make your eyelashes better is to take legitimate consideration of them. There are additionally some straightforward approaches to assist your eyelashes with developing. Recall that fixes will not work, something very similar for various individuals. It might require half a month, or a couple of months, for the fix to work. Likewise, you may need to attempt more than one proceeding you discover the fix that is ideal for you. Castor oil helps eyelashes develop, and can likewise battle microscopic organisms that prevent them from developing. Take a perfect brush or Q-tip and put castor oil on your eyelashes prior to resting. You can add some nutrient-y oil to the castor oil prior to putting it on. Leave the oil on for the time being, and flush it off in the first part of the day. You can likewise blend 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Put it on your eyelashes utilizing a Q-tip. Leave it on overnight, and flush it off in the first part of the day. Attempt both of these fixes each day for a few months. Olive oil can sustain your eyelashes, and cause them to become thicker. It likewise helps keep the eyelashes dim. Here's the secret. Plunge a perfect, old mascara stick or Q-tip in warm olive oil. Before you hit the hay, put the oil on your lashes, similar to you would put on mascara. Leave the oil on for the time being, and flush it off in the first part of the day with tepid water. Do this consistently for a couple of months, until you're content with the manner in which your eyelashes look. Aloe vera. An incredible method to develop your eyelashes is utilizing aloe vera, in light of the fact that it has a great deal of nutrients and supplements. It will likewise help keep your eyelashes damp. Prior to bed, put new aloe vera gel on your eyelashes with a spotless mascara stick. Leave the gel on for the time being, and wash it off in the first part of the day with warm water. Or then again mix together 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of chamomile implantation. Put this combination on your eyelashes 2 times each day with a perfect, old mascara stick. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and wash it off with warm water. Follow either fix each day for a couple of months for it to work. Note: make sure to eliminate latex by washing the aloe vera gel very well before use. Egg. Because eggs have a ton of protein, they are excellent for developing thicker eyelashes. They likewise have nutrients that help the vibe of your eyelashes. Beat 1 egg and 1 tablespoon glycerin into a thick, velvety blend. Put it on your eyelashes utilizing a Q-tip. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and afterward wash it off with cold water. Do this 3 times each week for a couple of months. Green tea has a ton of flavonoids that assist your eyelashes with becoming thicker and more. Make some unsweetened green tea, and let it cool. Utilize a cotton tip to put the green tea on your lashes, from the roots to the tips. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes, and wash it out with cool water. Do this 2 times each day for a few months. Note: make sure the green tea doesn't get in your eyes. Coconut milk has a great deal of protein and fats that make thicker, longer eyelashes. It additionally gives your eyelashes a lovely sparkle. Dunk a Q-tip in coconut milk, and put it on your eyelashes. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes, and wash it off. Do this a couple of times each day for a couple of months, until you get the look you need. You can take a multivitamin supplement, yet try to ask a specialist before you do, to discover what type and some. On the off chance that you like the video, offer it to go ahead and share it with your companions.